Hey guys, so this is a video that I recorded 2 years ago, but I never put it up, so we're just gonna kind of take a look of how my makeup skills have improved over the last 24 months. So I started with Fenty and Guerlain, which was my favorite combo at the time. It gave this beautiful, like, natural finish, and the blur was phenomenal. My skin looks so good. And I'm gonna use my handy dandy favorite NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. This is the shade Ginger. And you know me, I don't like to put it right under my eyes because then it's gonna get all creasy. And the less you got, the less creasing you get. And my goodness, the aggression. Ooh, no eyes were harmed in the making of this video. But wow. Okay, so we on set now, because setting is life. That Laura Mercier. That's a bit much, but I've grown to understand that, you know? I like to lightly set now, and how many times am I gonna set this under eye? This is a ridiculous amount of setting powder. Oh nah, what is going on right now? What is this? What am I baking? There's nothing there. You gotta do better. I mean, you do better now, girl, but you gotta do better. All right. Brows with Cabral. What was I looking at? Oh, I was looking at the fact that there was way too much product on that brush. And I still decided to kind of just, wow. I YOLO'd the mess out of these brows. That overdraw was overkill. That looks so bad. I don't know how anyone does voiceovers because I'm literally just mortified right now. I walked outside like this. We all started somewhere, guys. Stay humble. Stay humble. Because, wow. I look over it. I feel like I remember that this was like the worst brow day ever. And I was over it. That's probably why I'm not even talking. Because I'm just like, I can't be bothered. It's already in a bad mood and my brows got all messed up. And that is a ridiculous amount of concealer. Like, so ridiculous. Tell me I used that to at least prime my eyelids or something. This is really an appreciation post because I've come so far. I use the right tools for the job now. This is like, every makeup artist should do this from time to time. Like, not even for YouTube. Just, is that an eyeshadow brush? That's an eyeshadow brush. So apparently you could just use any brush now. I'm kind of feeling that I'm just gonna die. I'm slowly starting to see why this video never went up. Because, wow. Yeah, like, that's not doing anything. There you go. There you go, girl. Because you doing the most right now. Alright, so we combing out the brows. I don't know what you dancing about because I can't even comment on the brows no more. And I wish I had used some brow gel because it wasn't that what I was doing. Like, was I just like laying the hairs in place, getting rid of this ridiculous amount of powder I put, and the bake that was chiseled the non-contour, the non-existent contour. Oh. And I did not use the concealer that I put in excess under my brows. I went in with an actual eyelid primer. Who am I smiling at? Who are you smiling at? Why am I beating myself up? Why am I so aggressive? This is why my eyes hate me. That's why I got so many eye issues, because I don't know how to be nice to my face. I'm gonna need all that concealer because I'm about to give myself a black eye. Alright. Now we're gonna go in contour because apparently contour goes after the setting. But you know what, guys? I feel like this was a relatively new method or trend. I still don't understand what explains, like, doing the steps in backwards and in reverse, all types of wrong. All types of wrong. And oh nah. Oh nah. This isn't real life. This is really why this video never went up. Because this is embarrassing. What is going on with my nose contour? Girl, please see that. Please see that and do something about it. Because, yes. Keep blending. No, keep blending. Alright. Well, we didn't do a very good job, but we've already gotten to eyeshadow, so we gotta keep going. So we got our little crease shade here, and I'm gonna put it at the bottom. Okay. Alright. That eyebrow. That's all I got. Okay. Got another little crease color, add a little depth. Deepen it. I can get behind this. Alright. And yes, that purple. That's it? That's all I did. Oh my goodness. Okay. Moving right along, because apparently no cares were given in the making of this video. We got the Too Faced mascara. And oh, that's interesting, because I don't even do that anymore. I don't put mascara on my top lashes, because what is even the point? I'm part of the itty bitty lash committee. I'm bullheaded at my lash line. Oh, I'm really going in though. I'm really trying. Was I not gonna wear lashes? I was really gonna go outside with no lashes. No. You can't go out with no lashes and those brows. It's just not a thing. That's just not a thing. What's also not a thing is putting on nude lipstick with no lip liner. And I haven't even put on highlighter. What happened to my eye? You know what? This is why this video never made it up. That and the fact that I also just am lazy and never edited it. Highlighter. Yes, save me. Please save me. No. Why is that brush so big? Like, when did I decide that I wanted to care about picking the right brush for the job? And I put highlighter on my top lip after I did the liquid lipstick, and look at that. That looks insane. Why do I need more highlighter? And I really highlighted my pimple. Oh my goodness. This video is all types of cringeworthy. Because, wow, look at this. It took some of my crease and I didn't even fix it. And I had another pimple and I highlighted it. I want to cry right now. This is so bad. This is to remind me that we all started somewhere. This is why I'm finally getting around to this video right now. Because we all started somewhere. Okay. We might be able to fix this. We might be able to come back from this. Kinda. You tried it. You really tried. You notice how I didn't even really mention what any of the things were? Like, why was I even recording this? And now I'm talking. Who am I talking to? I want to wait till the end to say things and make comments. And I got an attitude problem. I must be feeling better. Now the baddie's coming out. I must be feeling better. Inner corner highlight. Shorty's eyes are way too close to her nose. We gotta create some distance. And draw a little less attention to that pimple right in the middle of my nose. Lashes. Those aren't even. And seriously, what happened to my eye? Hey, look at that egghead. I cannot. What is this? Oh my goodness. I hope this was like the first and last time that I ever wore my hair like this because wow. Just wow. Where was I going? What was I doing? I didn't put no liner on. My eyes all irritated. Over here adding contour to my forehead, my 5-finger forehead. Trying to make this little itty bitty bun look better. My head is so weirdly shaped. It's not coming together. No, I didn't give the products in this thing. I didn't do no intro. I probably didn't even do no outro because I'm slacking, and now I'm just acting a fool because wow. On that note, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate the humbling experience. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you at the next one.